Words. Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. Thank you for joining me on another episode of Cooking with Zeus, the show where I, Zeus, cook things and show them to you. Today's episode involves pan-fried chicken breasts and stuffed jalapenos. Let's get started. Get a bowl. Whipped cream cheese, some ranch dressing, paprika, chili powder, and onion powder. And then mix it up until it's like a thick sauce. Also some chives. Okay, first up, get some jalapenos. After you wash them off, cut the tip off and use the back of a fork or something to gore them out. Get you some mozzarella cheese. Cut your cheese into little blocks. You can also cut the ends into little fuck sticks like this so you can jam them up in there. Alright, once you've got your queso jammed into your jalapenos, put those away. We're going to start working on the chicken. Okay, get your chicken breasts and some wax paper. After you get them butterflied out and covered in wax paper, you're going to need a meat tenderizer. You're basically just going to beat the shit out of them until they're really flat. This is what they should look like. Then get those puppies wrapped up tight. Get a bowl. Put in some chili powder, and some onion powder, a little bit of salt, and some black pepper. And then season your little doodads. And then get ready for the plot twist of the forking century. Doritos. And then just grind them into dust like the bones of your enemies. Okay, so here's how we're going to do this. Flour, egg wash, Doritos, frying pan. Go. Amazing! Now while these puppies are frying, get your drip rack set up, come over here, grease a pan, and put some flatbread on it. Make sure you get both sides nice and buttery, and then when you flip it, you want one side to be just a little toasty, like that. Okay, get one of your flatbread wraps, toss it on the plate. Get some spinach on there, some red onions, and then some of our special sauce. So banana peppers if you're into that. You gotta have the spicy sauce. Take a look at that fucking puppy. That's what's up. Alright. Put it on diagonal like this so you can roll it up this wise. And that's the long and the short of it.
I like turtles.